Hey everyone, buckle up, because today's courtroom is straight up wild. We've got a full-blown Karen on the loose yelling, arguing, and pushing every limit imaginable. And trust me, she's dangerously close to earning herself a few months of complimentary living at the county hotel. So let's dive right into this chaos.
Yes, I'm right here.
Where?
Right here. I got glasses on.
All right. Okay, you're here on a 2019 case for domestic battery, and I believe it's a show cause. Is her probation officer here? Miss Donovan, you were here there. Okay, how does she want to proceed, Mr. Patterson?
Judge, this is another case where I have never spoke to her about her show cause hearing, so that I am not prepared to proceed. I'm asking for continuance.
Miss Bartzneck, you were here June 8th, and Judge Rickey appointed Darren Patterson. Why didn't you contact him?
Darren Patterson, I called twice. What do you mean? I've already tried contacting him, and the girl who's supposed to call told me that he would get in contact with me. That's how I got this number for Zoom meetings.
We did send out the Zoom link, Judge. That is correct.
Okay, I'm going
as far as I know, he's court appointed, and so I don't pay for him. So unless I was paying to speak to him, I don't get to pay to speak to him.
Nobody is asking you to pay a single cent for your court-appointed attorney that's fully covered by the taxpayers, which means all those excuses you're trying to throw out the window hold zero weight. The court ordered you to contact them, and yet here you are, ignoring every instruction, showing complete disrespect for the system and your own case.
The taxpayers pay to pay him.
Well, all I know is that I don't pay to speak to him ahead of time. So whatever we're talking about right now, I'm kind of confused as well.
Well, I'm hopefully confused about what you're saying. It's making no sense to me.
I guess so.
Okay, I'm going to continue this for 2 weeks.
And why are we continuing it? How long is
Because
this
you
going
haven't
to
talked to your attorney, and if you don't want it continued, I'll just have the hearing right now, and you won't have the benefit of your attorney representing you.
Huh.
Yeah. Probation is a privilege. You don't have to have probation. We can revoke it right now, and you can go serve your sentence if you like.
I mean, that's fine, but
Excuse me, but are you seriously telling me that you think it's okay to have your probation revoked today and deal with all the consequences right this second? Because let me remind you that the court you're disrespecting isn't playing games, and being rude like this could very well land you serving real jail time, exactly as they prescribe, and you're acting like it's no big deal.
what?
It's fine that it's fine that you're revoked.
No, I think you're trying to switch my words around on me, and that's not acceptable, right? No, I've already told you what I wanted to do. You're switching my words around. I'm not okay with this.
Judge, if the court is setting it over 2 weeks, I can fit her in for an appointment before that time.
Has she seen you, Miss Donovan, since she was ordered to by Judge Rickey on June 8th?
Your Honor, she was reported by phone since she was released from jail.
Have you asked her to come in any more than that?
I have not, Your Honor, because she does reside in Newton.
Okay. All right. This is not up for discussion. This is a 2019 CR case, criminal case.
You know what I mean?
Okay, ma'am. You're being disrespectful to the court who is going to decide your fate.
Go ahead. Do what you feel you need to do.
Please calm down.
No, because I think she's being rude.
Here's the thing, until you're the one wearing the robe and sitting in the judge's chair, you have zero right to criticize the person in front of you. All you're doing is making yourself look worse, so maybe just zip it, Karen, before your mouth lands you behind bars, instead of out on probation, where you clearly should have been all along for your own criminal behavior.
Just calm down. Just let her speak.
And I am, so you be quiet.
Just calm down.
Not serious enough for me to take judgment calls for no reason.
How old are you?
I'm 32, actually. And you?
And who is that person you're talking to?
It is my boyfriend.
Wow, just look at you talking to your boyfriend like he's nothing, when in reality, he's the only person in this entire room who actually cares about keeping you out of jail. And the craziest part is, you're treating him like garbage while already sitting on probation for a domestic violence charge, showing zero respect for anyone trying to help you.
And,
Miss Bartnock, here. I'm going to order that you be here in the courthouse in 2 weeks.
Now I gotta make it you.
2
Are you
weeks.
gonna pay for my ride? I don't have transportation.
2 weeks from today, you must be in the Butler County Courthouse, 201 West Pine, El Dorado.
Okay, well, I'm sure somebody will be calling on my behalf then. That's fine. I don't know.
No, you will be there, or I will send the sheriff out to get you.
Right, so I'm gonna be sitting in jail for another week on account of sitting around waiting to talk to you? I don't think so. I think y'all are dirty. I'm not gonna go sit in a freaking courtroom or in a jail system just so I can speak to you for another freaking week when it could already be settled right now.
All right.
So settle it right now. I'm not gonna deal with this.
Okay.
I think this is childish in all kinds of fucking ways. No, I need you to shut up too.
The only person who actually needs to shut up right now, Karen, is you. You're the one on trial here, and the only thing helping or destroying your situation is that nonstop crayon munching noisemaker on the front of your face that you seem physically incapable of keeping closed for even 5 seconds, long enough to avoid talking yourself straight into a jail cell.
What is your mental health diagnosis, Miss Bartnock?
My mental health diagnosis is bitch made, and I'm a fucking ADHD bitch. And I'm not going to sit here and let some other people who are insensitive make insensitive choices about my fucking life. As if you fucking get to do everything you want to do. You got a car? You got a house? You get to fucking pay your bills? You want to come at me like I can do all that? Please. Then you better start giving me some fucking money for all this bullshit.
Are you taking the medication?
Injustice and unjustifiable.
Miss Bartnock, are you taking the medication prescribed to you?
No, because they keep putting me on fucking Down syndrome medication like I'm retarded, and I'm not.
Citation needed, Karen, because none of what you're saying is backed by facts, logic, or reality. And no amount of excuses or imaginary treatments is going to fix the real problem here, which is your attitude and my professionally unprofessional opinion. The only lesson plan left is straight up jail time, because that's the only thing that might finally teach you when to stop talking and start listening before you end up locked up for good.
I am going to order that you be in the Butler County Courthouse this afternoon.
Oh, you gonna pay for my ride?
She doesn't have transportation.
I don't have transportation.
Okay.
She just got her life in order.
Yeah, my life
Things
is
are
in
going good. She's
order.
gonna make a good decision.
Right, until I talk to you and you want to say I didn't talk to my lawyer. That's bullcrap.
I'm issuing a bench warrant, no bond hold.
She needs counsel. She needs to speak to her attorney. Her attorney needs to be speaking for her.
Yeah, why didn't
She's
anybody
fine
call
for her
me?
attorney.
Bench warrant,
Ooh, I got a warrant all of a sudden.
probation is revoked.
Oh my God! Why?
What do you mean, why? How about because you and your Karen just will not shut up? And honestly, your little cave of a Karen is in direct contempt of court based entirely on your own actions today. Remember, probation isn't a right, it's a privilege, and it would seriously be in both of your best interests to learn that lesson immediately before you make your situation even worse.
I'm ordering you, Chelsea,
Yes.
to be back here at the Butler County Courthouse in El Dorado 2 weeks from today at 9 a.m.
Okay. I mean, that depends on transportation right now. And I've been told that this is prison for me, so I'm not for sure as far as if I'm supposed to even be leaving.
Okay.
So unless someone else notifies me that it's wrong for me to leave, I'm staying here. I have other courts here.
Anyone else sitting here shocked that she's out on house arrest for other crimes? And don't worry, Karen the Court has its very own complimentary transportation service for people who think showing up on their own is optional, so maybe keep that in mind before you push your luck any further.
If you are not here, I can issue and will issue a warrant for your arrest, and I will send a police officer to provide you transportation to Butler County.
I just don't see why I need to go there when we can concur everything right here.
Think we can all agree that concur is probably the last word anyone should be using right now? And honestly, the fact that you're still out here free is looking like a bigger and bigger mistake with every passing second.
That's what I don't understand. Do you have a specific reason why I need to be in El Dorado?
That is my order.
It just doesn't seem legit. It doesn't seem like a promising reason for me to be there. When I have everything, I lost a job because you all wanted to put a warrant on out for arrest on me. I can't even pay my fines because you won't give me a chance to. And now you want me to go to Butler? That just doesn't seem promising. I mean, all of this seems like a lie, like just some reason to get me caught up in something. It's just not, I'm sorry, it's just not, I do not see it happening. I don't have a ride. Unless you can find one, and I'm not sitting in jail for a week.
By the look of your own actions, Karen, you're practically volunteering to spend way more than just 1 week behind bars. And like I said, if showing up to your court date is too much of a chore, that's on you, because the court isn't messing around. They'll issue a bench warrant, which is basically a free Uber straight to jail, no stops, no passes, go. All right, everyone, that's the end of this madness. The judge did order her back in a week, but let's be real, I wouldn't bet on her showing up. What do you think? If you liked this video, smash that like button. If you hated it, hit dislike, but don't forget to drop a comment below and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss the chaos. I'm Team Sehusha, signing off.